Hello, LinkedIn. I wanted to make a video today. I've been at a few customer sites now where we're continuing to see the trend of, making automation more intuitive, making it more simple for the operator to use. So I wanted to give you guys some ideas here using our Series 4X. This is our display button. It's an I/O capable device. However, you do not need I/O link to operate it. It will work discreetly. So for example, I've programmed discrete scenes into this already. So if the operator comes up, pushes this button, oh no, there's a fail, and then it resets once they fix the fail. So I just wanted to share how we change it. Maybe this will give you some ideas for your future projects or your current projects. So this is our IO-Link master here. So this, you can change 8 different scenes on this button without IO-Link. And how you can do so is using E1 and E2. We have E1 and E2 inputs. But for each different scene, this is what you can manipulate. So you can change your LED color to whatever color you desire. You can actually have your own custom color. And each of these LEDs around our button, you can control. So you can control the LED effect, for example. So now it's flashing left here. And you control the text that you communicate to the operator with. So it's saying push right now, but let's just change it to run, for example. So now, like, the machine's running with the LED on the right. I don't know why you would do that, but you can change it to whatever you desire. And you can have, again, 8 different scenes communicating to the operator this way. So that, I just want to give you an idea, is one way that you can make your automation processes and equipment a little bit more intuitive to the operator. If you're interested in learning more about this device, or you want to inquire about it, my LinkedIn messages are open. And if you want to learn about the IO link capabilities, it gets a lot more in depth that we can talk about in not a LinkedIn video. Thank you, guys.